And in part C, we need to indicate whether the work function of metal 1 is greater than, less than, or equal to the work function of metal 2. We need to refer to our table of results. And what we will see is that the work function of metal 1, so metal 1 work function is going to be less than the metal 2 work function. And the reason for that is because the same frequency of light is incident on them. So we can look at the first two rows, FA, so the same frequency is incident. So FA is incident. And what we see is that metal 1 has a smaller de Broglie wavelength, smaller lambda e, which means that the emitted electron has more kinetic energy. As we have discussed previously, smaller wavelength means larger kinetic energy. And so what we see here is that after the same amount of energy was supplied to an electron, there was more remaining. This work function is this constant energy that the photon always needs to overcome to bring an electron from inside of the metal to the surface of the metal. And so for metal 1, less energy has to be spent from the total energy to bring an electron to the surface, and more energy will be left for the overall kinetic energy of the electron. So therefore we can say metal 1 has smaller work function.